finance,
designers,
operations,
engineers,
technicians,
legal and compliance,
sales and marketing.
human resources.
social media and communications.
So many career paths.
Big opportunities.
right here.
Careers you can build without leaving your community.
That's one thing that's so cool about Zippo.
Watch and see what else makes Zippo so great.
We currently are the largest employer in McKean County.
Today, we sell lighters in from about 180 countries across the world. The Zippo click, you know that iconic sound.
Light about 25,000 lighters a day.
So there's two parts to the Zippo lighter. You got what we call the case, the brass case, and then on the other side of the plant is the inside unit.
One of the greatest things about working at Zippo is the fact that it is a family culture.
Been here almost 34 years. When somebody gets sick, people rally around them. The company takes good care of you.
We pride ourselves on flexibility, that family atmosphere of getting to know everybody and helping out when somebody has a need. Just about anywhere you turn in this building or at Barber Street or any one of our companies, there are multiple employees who volunteer and give back some other way.
So here at Zippo, probably one of the coolest things is that some of these lighter designs that we have out on the market for sale, those pieces of tooling were drawn on my desk. I drew those pieces of tooling and designed them.
And we have equipment that has been around for 30 or 40 years as well, that was made just for Zippo, and it works perfectly fine. And then right beside it might be a brand new piece of equipment that has the latest and greatest technology with bells and whistles and cameras and lasers and all kinds of things. All of that is captured right here under one roof, and that's what's cool about manufacturing and specifically about Zippo.